A virtual private network, or VPN, is a secure channel that allows users to connect to a network remotely. It encrypts data as it travels over the internet, protecting sensitive information from being intercepted by unauthorized parties. VPNs are especially crucial for remote workers who need to secure access to corporate resources or anyone looking to protect their privacy while browsing the web. When you connect to a VPN, your data is encapsulated in an encrypted tunnel that routes traffic through a VPN server. This hides your IP address and encrypts your data, making it difficult for hackers to intercept or alter. Even if intercepted, the encrypted data remains unreadable without the decryption key. There are different types of VPNs. Site-to-site VPNs connect entire networks across separate locations, making them appear as one local network. Remote access VPNs, on the other hand, allow individual users to securely connect to a private network from anywhere with internet access. Selecting the right VPN protocol is key for balancing security and performance. Common options include OpenVPN, known for its strong encryption and flexibility, IKE version 2/IPsec, which offers fast connection speeds, and L2TP/IPsec, which balances security with ease of use. In today's digital world, VPNs are essential for maintaining privacy and security. They protect sensitive data, secure remote connections, and help maintain online anonymity, making them a fundamental part of any comprehensive network security strategy.